Howdy, my name's Maggie. I'm slowly spinning in a chair. Perfect. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's all about art.
Oh, yeah. Arty farty. What the fuck? Alright, y'all. So if you're like me, it's physically painful to keep shit clean. So do what I do and scoot it to the side. Cool. Now that that's done, keep doing it. And check. Alright, cool. Great. Fabulous. So first step, I'm going to talk about a base. I really dig using this paper. It's like 100% cotton press shit or something like that. Like other materials I found, it's really hard for me to manipulate the paint and like keep it moving around how I want it. But this is made for oil. Yeah. All right, let's talk supplies. Again, so we got a couple different blues. We got a Prussian blue, we got a cobalt blue, we got a white from Gambles, and we got like a carbon black. I did carbon black. I think it's cold. Could be wrong. Got approximate knowledge on a couple things. So I don't know. White's gonna go there. Black's gonna go there. And for our other supplies, turpentine to cut it and a couple brushes. Probably gonna grab more. Use a flathead brush, love you, and some small, thin, light bristled ones for the lovin'. I sped this shit up because honestly I was running out of shit to say. So we're going to paint an eye, obviously. I'm going to go in with my general shape and just kind of fill in with that cobalt blue, my blue shape. Traditionally in oil painting, you know, they start out with like dark colors first and you work dark to light because of the way the paint mixes. You do have a lot of flex on this. But you know what? I'm lazy, so fuck it. Alright, I've already gone in with the blue. I'm starting to map out my eye. I did a general base of white so I could mix some like dark shadow under the lid. You can see that Prussian blue going in at the lid line and under as well. So I filled in the eye with black. Should have zoomed this video in, but I didn't. So what are you gonna do about it? So we're just powering along right now, and I am just talking. So yeah, gonna put some detail in there, you know, just put some shadow at the end. I'm doing a real geometric eye, so I'm not too worried. TBH, I kind of wish that I put a different color eye in there, but I'm gonna show you what actual time and proper process looks like in a finished piece in just one moment. But here we go, you know, just kind of vibe it out. You know, how do you feel about it? Put paint here, put paint there. Look at an eye if you need to. I don't know, I didn't, but kind of shows. Rad. Also, white highlights put everything together. If you think it's a piece of shit, just wait until you put the white highlight in there. It will do wonders. Watch it, wait for it. Okay, let's put some more shading. Christ. All right, where you going? Whoopah. Ooh, there it is. See, told you, much better.
Alright y'all, so something to note, I used an acrylic black and not an oil black, and that shit don't mix. Like, I'm sure everyone's seen the videos, little science experiments doing this, you know, but like a water base and an oil base, probably good to keep it consistent. So with that being said, if you liked my video, you can like subscribe, but also you can like check out my art website at somethinart.com, not something art, because that shit's like kind of thin, like just started, so judge me. Anyway, have a good day.